wet, cold, and all this stuff going on in the world. I haven't got one celebrity. It's cold. I'm working too hard, but I have to try to get paid tomorrow. Try to get some celebrity, any celebrity will do. Yeah, this is like a bad movie. Really, really bad. I was hoping that this morning when I woke up it'd be a dream. The news is all sad and it's just horrible, man. No food in the grocery store. People are panicking. I believe in God all the way. It's just a nightmare. It is a nightmare. Cold and rainy here at LAX. Keep the faith, man. Keep the faith. I got here early, man, and I've been trying my best, but I guess they're not flying. The celebrities. Okay.
Yeah, I'm inside, but I can turn it on.
Okay. Couple more hours to go, and I'm out of here. Gotta get. I actually saw a bodyguard earlier. I think it was Summer Hayek's bodyguard. He was here for an hour, and he left. So maybe she went out another way, or she's coming in on another flight. I'm gonna hang out here for a couple more hours. Wish I was going home, but that ain't happening. All right, folks. I'll talk to you guys later.